Hi, Alex. Good evening. You look a little tired today. Did you just come back from work too?
Hi, Sophia. Yes, I did. It was a long day at the office, so I am happy to be home now. How was your day?
My day was busy, but it was okay. I worked until 5 and then I came straight home. Now I am thinking about all the chores I need to do tonight.
I know that feeling very well. After work, I still need to take care of things at home. Sometimes I want to rest first, but the dishes and laundry are waiting for me.
Yes, exactly. When I open my apartment door and see the sink full of dishes, I feel tired again. But I try to wash them before dinner because it is easier that way.
That is a good habit. I usually wash the dishes right after I eat, so they do not stay there too long. If I wait until later, I become lazy and I do not want to do them.
I understand that. I live alone, so I do all the chores by myself. Sometimes I wish I had a helper at home, even for just 1 hour.
Living alone can be hard because everything is your job. I live by myself too, so I cook, clean, wash clothes, and take out the trash on my own. It takes time, but I try to keep a simple routine.
A routine is very helpful. On weekdays, I usually wash dishes, sweep the floor, and tidy my room a little. On weekends, I do bigger chores like laundry and deep cleaning.
That sounds organized. I do something similar because small chores every day are easier than many chores in one day. If I leave everything for Sunday, my whole day is gone.
That is true. I do not like a messy room, but sometimes I am too busy to clean it well. When my room is clean, I feel calm and my mind feels lighter.
I feel the same way. A clean room makes me relax after work, and I can sleep better too. Even making the bed in the morning helps me start the day in a good way.
Oh, I try to make my bed every morning too. It only takes a minute or two, but it makes the room look much nicer. My mother always told me that a neat bed means a neat mind.
Your mother gave you good advice. My father used to say something similar when I was young. He always wanted me to clean my room and put my things back in the right place.
Parents really teach us many useful things. My mother also taught me how to sweep the floor and clean the kitchen. At first, I thought those chores were boring, but now I see they are important.
Yes, they are part of daily life. I did not enjoy chores when I was younger either, but now I see that a clean home saves time and stress. When everything is in order, I can focus better.
Do you cook dinner every evening, Alex? I try to cook at home often because it saves money. But after work, I sometimes feel too tired to stand in the kitchen for a long time.
I cook most evenings, but I keep it simple. I make easy meals like rice, chicken, soup, or pasta with vegetables. If I cook something difficult, I do it on the weekend when I have more energy.
That is smart. I usually make eggs, salad, noodles, or grilled chicken because they are quick. I also try to prepare some food the night before, so cooking after work is not too hard.
Meal preparation helps a lot. Sometimes on Sunday, I cook extra food and put it in containers for the week. Then, on busy evenings, I only need to heat the food and wash a few plates.
That sounds very useful. I should start doing that because I spend too much time deciding what to eat. Then I get hungry, and I still have to wash dishes after dinner.
Yes, and when you already have a plan, the evening feels easier. I think home chores are not only about cleaning. They are also about making life simpler and more comfortable.
I like that idea. Chores can feel boring, but they help us live better every day. Even folding clothes can be relaxing when I listen to music.
That is true. I often listen to soft music or a podcast when I clean the apartment. It makes sweeping the floor or putting clothes away feel less like work.
I do that too when I wash clothes. Speaking of clothes, I need to do laundry tonight because my basket is full again. I feel like laundry never really ends.
Laundry is one of those chores that always comes back. I usually do 2 small loads each week instead of 1 big load. That way it feels lighter, and I do not have a mountain of clothes to fold.
Two small loads sound better than one big load. I often wait too long and then I have shirts, jeans, towels, and bed sheets all at once. After that, I feel tired just looking at everything.
I know exactly what you mean. Sorting clothes, washing them, drying them, and folding them can take a lot of time. The hardest part for me is putting them back in the closet right away.
Yes, sometimes I leave clean clothes on the chair for 2 days. Then my room looks messy again, even after I finish the laundry. I always tell myself, put them away now, but I do not always listen.
That happens to me too, so do not worry. I try to finish the whole job in one go. Wash, dry, fold, and put away. If I stop in the middle, I know I will leave it there.
You are very disciplined. I want to be more like that with my room cleaning. My desk gets messy fast because I leave books, papers, and small things everywhere.
A desk can become messy in one day. I try to spend 5 minutes every evening putting things back where they belong. It is a small habit, but it keeps the room from getting out of control.
5 minutes sounds easy enough. Maybe I can do that before I go to bed every night. I think small habits are better for me than long cleaning sessions.
I agree. Big cleaning sessions can feel heavy, especially after work. Small daily habits are easier to keep, and they help the apartment stay nice all week.
Do you enjoy any chores, or do you only do them because you have to? I think I like cooking the most because I can be creative. Cleaning the bathroom is my least favorite job.
Cooking is my favorite too because I can make something good for myself. I do not mind washing dishes either, especially when the kitchen is quiet. But yes, cleaning the bathroom is not much fun for me.
I am glad we agree on that. Sweeping the floor is okay for me because I can do it quickly. When I see dust on the floor, I want to clean it right away.
That is a good instinct. I vacuum once or twice a week, and I sweep the kitchen more often because crumbs show up there fast. A clean floor makes the whole apartment look better.
That is so true. Even if the room is simple, a clean floor and a neat bed make it feel fresh. I also like to open the window after cleaning so the room gets clean air.
Fresh air makes a big difference. I do that too, especially after cooking or mopping the floor. The apartment feels brighter and more peaceful after that.
Talking about this makes me want to go upstairs and start my chores now. I think I will wash the dishes first, then cook a simple dinner, and after that I will do 1 load of laundry.
That sounds like a good plan for the evening. I am going to cook some pasta, wipe the kitchen counter, and tidy my living room. If I still have energy, I will clean the bathroom too.
You have a full evening ahead. I hope everything goes smoothly for you. Maybe tomorrow we can talk again and see who finished all the chores.
That sounds nice. We can compare our chore lists and maybe share more simple ideas. Have a good evening, Sophia, and good luck with the dishes and laundry.
Thank you, Alex. Have a good evening too, and enjoy your dinner. See you tomorrow after work.
See you tomorrow, Sophia. Take care, and do not work too hard at home tonight. A little rest is important too.